Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie. Back with another video, right? Today we just have an unboxing. We're not gonna deep dive and try to talk about how good or bad anything is today, right? We're just gonna unbox something that I had sent in to me. That's what we're gonna do. First off, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, right? So, shout out to Dennis over at Babyliss. Shout out to Basio, Get Beam, everybody at the Tomb45, everybody at Babyliss. So this is a time of being too quick with my reactions. So as y'all know, Tomb45 is working with or have worked with Babyliss. They have brought out a clipper and trimmer set. I seen it go on pre-order. I didn't order the trimmer right off the bat, but I did order the clipper, right? But I did jump the gun. Shout out to Dennis, right? But so that means when I do get that coming in, maybe we'll have a giveaway of what I purchased, since I don't need two of them unless they that good and I need a backup. But they did send me this. You know, they sent this came in the box that they sent, something, you know, little flyer, whatever, from Babyliss. Also with the Tomb45, this is the opening of everything that's included, and we're gonna talk about what's this is the box. All right, this is the box they sent me, and I already started opening. I was ready to go, right? I'm in here today. I said, man, let me since I got me a break between my next client, let me jump in here and see what's going on, right? So shout out to the team. They did send me a few things. Nice little, open them, get out. I ain't gonna wear it. I'm not really a hat guy. I think I'm trying to become a hat guy. I'm not really a hat guy. Of course, if y'all know where Tomb45 started, of course you got the shaving gel, which will go to use. Got the styling powder, the pure powder. Got that to go with it in the box. Okay, these are the charging mats that come with it. It's a LED. LED indicates active charging. Charge your wireless products. All right. 1 year warranty. Compatible. What does it say? Compatible. Compatible with Babyliss Tomb45 clipper and trimmer. Of course, so separately, two automatically turns off when placed on. That's cool. I want to see if it actually does it. Like if you, which I know most people gonna say just turn it off. Yeah, you can turn it off. But if you set it down, boom. I don't know if you have. I have not accidentally left the clipper on, but I have hit it a certain way where it comes back up. Either way, it's still a cool feature, right? I wonder if it works with anything else, like maybe my cell phone. Set my cell phone down on there. Got me some hair grippers. I don't use the hair grippers. They tug on the hair a little bit. This is a texturizing comb from Babyliss as well. Another pamphlet there. This is one of the newer blades from Babyliss. It's a tri-blade, precision tri-blade. What else we got in here? Put something down. If y'all don't know, my head is huge, right? I'm gonna open this up and just set it there, right? But anyway, you do got the, oh, that's cool. It's a clipper bag, but it snaps. It snaps closed instead of like a zipper or a button. That's cool because that's automatic. That's a strong magnet. Automatic right there. Shout out to the team. Shout out to Babyliss, man. Some new combs that will be used, and some of my favorite brushes, whether it's this or Stylecraft or any ones that you can buy from like Atlanta Barber. I love the smaller brushes, especially like in the taper area when you cutting and stuff. I love that. All right, let's get to what we here for. I'm gonna start with the clipper. All right, start with the clipper. Open up the clipper. It's a 5-position lock and stretch taper lever, dual speed motor, 7,500 RPM, also down to 6,800 RPM. 4 hours of run time. That's cool. Rubber grip. Auto shut off. Okay, it's talking about the, and it does come with the guards. Get one of my old shears. If you don't have a package opening set of shears, you need one. I used to go through blades. Like I put a blade into my into the razor, or you know, open it up and just cut it open with a blade. Then you're just going through blades. Nobody want to keep doing that. Boom. I don't know if y'all can see that in there, but it shows like the rough draft drawings of it. That's pretty cool. I like that, just something being added on the inside rather than just being a black box. That's cool. Cool. 2-year warranty. This is the, if I can get it out of here, the machine. A little bulky. Ooh, that's thick. That's thick, boy. I gotta find that. I gotta find that cell to put it in there. That's, you're thick, boy. Green inside, you know, cool. They do have their green color, you know, the Tomb45 green. Come with the guards. That's a 2, 1.5. Not too sturdy, not too thin. I like that. We will see about those, of course. Charging block. It is Type-C, USB-C charging capability. And that's what you got. This is the design of the clipper. Click lever. Grooves here remind you kind of like a Wahl clipper. Very small, and I've said that in one of my videos that a lot of the clippers are going to the short, like compact version, but this is not this. It feels nice, but it is a little thick. It is thick versus now this is not comparable in like actual work, but versus a shorty, little bit taller. But they both look thick, but this actually feels thicker. Like it feels a little bit more bulky. It's not heavy. I mean, do got some good weight to it. Nice little rubber grip on the back. Here is the design of that. So that's when you got they got the power button here. You hold that to turn the extra boost on and off. Not bad. All right, that's the clipper. I do like that though. It feels sturdy. It is bulky though. Charging port here. There's no charging stand, but you do have the or you can lay it down. I would prefer a charging stand. Or, you know, something, I would prefer a stand, but that's cool too. But got a little power to it. My bad, I had a knock on the door. Now I gotta figure out where I was. I think I was talking about the sound. But either way, it's not bad. Hold that, turn it down. Of course, it's not gonna be as loud, but that is the clipper. And we're gonna jump to the trimmer. Now I've been seeing people. I've been trying not to watch everybody use these so much. Trying not to watch anybody really talk about it because I've been waiting to get a hand on them myself. You know what I mean? So, but I have seen a few people using the trimmer and look like it's hitting a little bit. Now I don't know if you got a set or anything, but it looked like people are getting some good use out of it. It got the deep tooth metal injection molded. The blade reversible blade orientation. Dual speeds, of course, the same as the Clipper 7500 to 6800. 3 hours of run time. And also on the inside there, have the design, like the little draw. I like that. Matter of fact, it has it all through the box here too. I like that. I like that design. Where we at? Okay, so when it's saying reverse orientation, it's so of course most trimmers, most clippers, anything is either on the front or it's on the side. So with that being on the back, I actually like that being out the way, because when you holding it, you got the grips here instead of on the back, but you shouldn't hit the button. I'm not gonna say it would never happen, but your thumb gonna be here. So when you holding it now once I got my natural grip, maybe, you know what I'm saying? But you gotta press it to, get it to turn on. So maybe when you actually working, it won't be a problem. But now let's see what's in the box though, right? It's a trimmer, so it's not gonna be like too much stuff anyway. But yeah, you get the cable, you get the charging block, and then you get a screwdriver. So I actually like this. This one actually don't feel as bulky. Of course, it's smaller, but it gives a better feel than the Clipper. The Clipper is bulky. That is a bulky Clipper. I do like this trimmer though. Man, I like that trimmer. And of course, that's the blade design. Width-wise, maybe you might cut it on, but width-wise, it's the same as any other blade. It looked a little smaller, but I think that's just the design of it here. It kind of gives it a slimmer look, but it is the same length. But I do like that. I ain't done this in a while. Usually my blades are, oh. Now, of course, we still got to put it to use, but I am not mad at that. Price of these is on the screen, because right now I'm just unboxing, excited. I'm gonna look up the prices, have them on the screen for everybody to look at. I do like that. Because now when you're using the blade, or you using the Clipper and everything, all your displays is on the back. So you get all your time and everything is on the back. So while you using it, you see it. And it's not that it's a problem, but sometimes you get a Clipper or a trimmer or a product where it has like a small display light, or even if it has the number discount, it just be small. This is like, you're not gonna miss that. Now, when it start dying off, I don't know, like it'd be cool if it turned red, just because it'll pop out because it's so big. Like that light is big. Oh, why it didn't want to cut off? It wasn't doing it at first. It wasn't cutting off. That was funny. But either way, I like the design of this. I am more, now I ordered the Clipper first when I seen them on sale. But now that I'm paying attention to this, I am more excited for this trimmer than I am the Clipper. I just like the design of it, and using it on my arm right now. It just seemed like it's gonna cut so good, so smooth. I like that blade. But that is the new Clipper and trimmer from Babyliss and Tomb45. Shout out to Tomb45. And I mean, shout out to Babyliss, of course. But shout out to Tomb45, Basio, and the team. They've been putting in work for years. I like that. I like this. I like the feel of this. I know I'm getting caught up on just this, but I like this. I like the way that feel. I do want to use this, but I can kind of feel, well, with that flick, boy, with that flick motion ain't gonna be bad. But even my hands, I got some bigger fat hands, not, you know, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. But that is the unboxing of the Tomb45 and Babyliss collaboration clipper trimmer. They sent me some nice little other products that will be used. Of course, another blade. So yeah. But we're gonna get it to work. Give me a little bit to really get it working and see how it is, and we'll be back with a review of this. We definitely will. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. And yeah, we'll be back. We'll be back. I'm excited. I haven't been as excited in a product in a long time as I am with this. So I can't wait to get this to use. All right. Peace.